Healthy recipe: stuffed eggplants with quinoa, mushrooms, and spinach. You can see the ingredients in the description. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the eggplants in half lengthwise and score the flesh. Place them on a baking tray and bake for 25–30 minutes, or until tender. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, heat a little olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic, and sauté until golden and fragrant. Add the mushrooms to the skillet and cook until golden and they release their juices. Add the spinach to the skillet and cook until wilted. Then, add the cooked quinoa and mix well. Add the crushed tomatoes, oregano, cumin, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Cook for a few more minutes, until the mixture is heated through and the flavors are combined. Remove the eggplants from the oven and fill them with the quinoa, mushroom, and spinach mixture. Sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top of the stuffed eggplants, if using. Bake the stuffed eggplants for another 10–15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and they are heated through. Garnish the stuffed eggplants with chopped fresh parsley before serving. For more recipes, follow us.